I agree with you. I agree with you. You have done very well. You have done very well. It is my responsibility. It is my responsibility. Are you sure? Are you sure? He helped me. He helped me. I'm busy. I'm busy. They haven't come yet. They haven't come yet. I am new here. I am new here. It is not possible. It is not possible. I can't wait anymore. I can't wait anymore. Please tell me the meeting time. Please tell me the meeting time. I will do this work later. I will do this work later. Have you prepared the report? Have you prepared the report? We should not waste time. We should not waste time. Let me know when the work is done. Let me know when the work is done. I want to discuss with you. I want to discuss with you. I have important documents. I have important documents. The boss is busy now. The boss is busy now. Have you checked this file? Have you checked this file? I will send an email now. I will send an email now. Please give me the bill. Please give me the bill. It is very expensive. It is very expensive. I want a discount. I want a discount. Do you accept cash? Do you accept cash? Please give me my receipt. Please give me my receipt. It is of very good quality. It is of very good quality. I want to return this. I want to return this. The price is a bit high. The price is a bit high. Do you have small notes? Do you have small notes? I am ready to buy this. I am ready to buy this. Please show me the way. Please show me the way. When will the train depart? When will the train depart? What is the ticket price? What is the ticket price? Where is the nearest hotel? Where is the nearest hotel? I am lost. I am lost. Is this road safe? Is this road safe? Please slow down. Please slow down. How long will it take to reach the destination? How long will it take to reach the destination? I want to take a taxi. I want to take a taxi. Please book a ticket for me. Please book a ticket for me. I am cooking now. I am cooking now. Have you eaten food? Have you eaten food? I am going to sleep. I am going to sleep. Please turn off the light. Please turn off the light. I have taken a bath. I have taken a bath. Please clean the room. Please clean the room. Did you go to the market? Did you go to the market? I am resting now. I am resting now. I need to wash my clothes. I need to wash my clothes. Please set the table. Please set the table. I have a headache. I have a headache. How is your health? How is your health? I want to see a doctor. I want to see a doctor. I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well. How should I take this medicine? How should I take this medicine? You take rest. You take rest. I have caught a cold. I have caught a cold. I want to exercise. I want to exercise. I have gained weight. I have gained weight. I want to recover soon. I want to recover soon. I am missing you. I am missing you. I trust you. I trust you. Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? I am very happy. I am very happy. It is special for me. It is special for me. Can you help me? Can you help me? I don't like it. I don't like it. I am sorry. I am sorry. You are a very good friend. You are a very good friend. I have remembered you. I have remembered you. I am learning English. I am learning English. Are you studying? Are you studying? I am ready for the exam. I am ready for the exam. Please tell me the meaning of the word. Please tell me the meaning of the word. I have finished my homework. I have finished my homework. It seems difficult. It seems difficult. I want to practice more. I want to practice more. What is the answer to this question? What is the answer to this question? Which subject do you like? Which subject do you like? I can read fast. I can read fast. It may rain today. It may rain today. The wind is very cold. The wind is very cold. The heat is too much. The heat is too much. The sky is clear. The sky is clear. It is a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day. The sun is shining brightly. The sun is shining brightly. The moon looks very beautiful. The moon looks very beautiful. I love nature. I love nature. The river looks calm. The river looks calm. The night is very beautiful. The night is very beautiful. I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. Are you busy? Are you busy? I want to go now. I want to go now. It's my decision. It's my decision. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Do you know? Do you know? It is really important. It is really important. I am having fun. I am having fun. Can you hear this? Can you hear this? I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Please bring some water. Please bring some water. We are getting late. We are getting late. It is unbelievable. It is unbelievable. You can do this. You can do this. It is quite complicated. It is quite complicated. Do you need help? Do you need help? I am going now. I am going now. It is very necessary. It is very necessary.